Hello, Witchfolk. We're Angels on Broomsticks. Welcome to our coven. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline.
We're a mother-daughter duo.
Yeah, we are. Duo. We're here to have fun with makeup and sometimes magic, which if you're interested in, definitely check out our Midnight Margarita sessions, where it's more get ready with us style and we talk about a witchly theme. But today is a first impressions video on the new Melt Beetlejuice Collection.
This one's the recently deceased.
Yeah.
Next time we'll do the waiting room. This collection is a really fun one. It's green and purple. I'm going to be focusing on the purples. You're going to do the greens, as you can see, by our looks today.
Yeah, if you want to see our first impressions on these shadows, on the colors in this palette, keep on watching.
I'm project panning my Born This Way concealer foundation, multi-use sculpting thingamabob. I love it, but it's not my color anymore because it's a summer color.
I'm using the Ordinary Serum Foundation again because I love it so much over Charlotte. As per usual.
Tillbury. Yeah, I have the concealer too. Like it's a smaller. I don't know if it's the same product, but it's a skinny. It's Too Faced as well. Born This Way concealer. I think it's lighter, so it should be okay. Again, I'm trying to use up the stuff I have. Like, I like having a lot of certain stuff, but not a lot of other stuff. Know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
I've got the the Tarte Shape Tape. It's the tiniest little Ipsy tester thing.
Yeah, I like that. I have that. It's one of my favorite concealers, I think.
I do not like the smell, though.
Why?
It smells like smell.
Oh, what
in
smell?
My hair.
Do you know it smells in here?
Like
incest.
Incense. Ginger incense.
But it doesn't smell like ginger. It smells like fire. Is it still on?
Our hair's on fire? Yeah, it's still on. I am doing this little concealing technique because I'm just keeping it light today. Put concealer there where your like shadow is. And then at the corner where you have sort of discoloration. And you really build it up there before you bring it around.
I'm getting my ears done.
Oh, you're doing your ears.
Sure.
I
do have this Wander Beauty.
Oh, yeah.
It's a trip for two. It's a bronzer and blush combo.
I have the Rare Beauty blush in Grateful. It's the liquid blush. This stuff is literally the most pigmented thing I've ever encountered in my whole life.
I've heard that.
I mean, yeah, everyone says it, but like all you need is like a little dupe. And then, yeah, so pigmented. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow.
Oh, so you bronze after you blush?
Sometimes. It depends. If it is more blush focused, I do the blush first.
Oh. Because
I want to see how I'm going to structure it on the face. And that one is, it is a little tricky to use just because of how potent it is. So, yeah, I don't know.
I just did, like, this is the one that I'm using, the bronze, is very light. So I'm going to actually use it around my eyes for a bit.
This one's quite light as well.
Took a fluffy brush and I'm just creating a shape around my eyes because I'm going to be using a monochrome look.
You know what? I would just do the same because I kind of got the similar tone going here. It's nice to just get something going in your crease. It can really like unify a look as well.
I agree. The bronzer is a perfect thing for that.
Even
task.
like, yeah, bringing it under your lash line as well.
Yeah. We have a fun little highlighter. Should we use it now or do you want to wait till we're done?
Let's do it now.
Okay. I'll show you what it is. It's the Comet Catcher by Kaleidos. This one's very cute. It's pinky A little iridescent, a little blue, pinky.
Have you used it like brush versus finger?
I've never used it with a fingy, but I think I will, because you said fingers, right?
Well, maybe.
Ooh, yeah, I can see it better with a fingy. Fingies are good tools, right?
Yeah, because they're so dense. They're obviously, because they are flesh.
And I don't mind, guys, going out in the sun with something that isn't completely natural. Why not? Remember when we met somebody at the dog park yesterday and they had sparkles all over their face?
Oh, yes.
It was the best. They were wearing like a clear
Face shield.
And underneath their face was all disco ball.
Yeah. It's nicer to use this stuff outside because the sun really picks up all the colors.
Yeah, these are daytime looks, guys. We always do daytime looks, even if we're wearing glitter. I just put it on my brow bone too.
It's casting pink right now. Casting.
Yeah, I see the pink. Very pretty. I can't wait to go in with the Beetlejuice.
I know. Give me a second.
Did you set your...
No, I'm just going to set just under my eye because it's just like looking a little... I don't know.
Okay, I'll do the same.
Something's happening. Again, just the small little brush. Little bit of powder. Because you don't want to ruin all your...
Same.
Dew, your shine.
Yeah, you want a powder where you just want to set things, which is usually concealer. Am I right? Or, you know, where the folds are. The labial folds.
Unless you...
So, it's called the labial fold.
The labial.
Whatever.
Lately, every time I put my makeup on right here, gets so itchy. Like, that kind of itchy, you can't poke it.
Because you're dry? I don't put highlighter here. Those are my 11s, and I don't.
I don't put highlighter.
A lot of people do.
Well, they put it here. Not
I
here.
see it there. Whatever. And I've got a scar here and 11s there. Nope.
All right.
I think I look good.
Okay.
Fresh.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, we're doing the recently deceased. Oop. And what are we going to do today?
I'm going to be focusing on the greens.
The top row. I'm going to go to the bottom row.
Yeah, keep it kind of monochromatic.
Yeah. I got new rougher brushes, guys.
Yes, just
there was a sale. My Midnight Madness sale thing. Midnight Madness. What the hell?
Black Friday.
Black Friday. Yeah, the Black Friday sale already came to me on Sunday. Oh, I don't know where I get that from.
Okay, I'm going in first with Neurotic. Neurotic.
I'm going right underneath with what?
Bioexorcist.
Whoa.
It's actually quite hard.
Ooh, it's very purple.
This is so pigmented. Wow. Okay.
Wow.
This actually wasn't what I expected, so I'm just going to bring it across the whole lid. Start.
It's very pigmented. This is very melty, for sure. Melt is very, I find very, what's the word? Like it's powdery and yet it's
Saturated?
Saturated. I like it. I like a color that I go in like little at a time, and I find I can do that. I can control a little bit with this.
Oh, okay, I see.
Even though it's saturated.
You can shear it out.
Yeah.
Or build it up.
Exactly.
It's nice when you can build it up without it being... Sometimes it can get patchy, some formulas.
Yeah, I'm just deepening up my outer V corner with Lost Souls. These are both matte, what I'm using so far.
Wow. Yeah, when you build this up more, it's beautiful. Wow. Wow.
I'm going to go in with Little Accident.
Remember the melt shimmer we had in the 27 palette and it was so subtle, kind of?
Yeah.
This one's not really. It's really beautiful. I'm going to go in with Draw a Door, which is a matte, just to see if it will add dimension. to this. But the tones are very similar, I will say, so it might not make too much of a difference, but oh, I see it. It's really nice. It's almost that eye drop color again. Hey, we're using the Beetlejuice palette. When's the last time you saw the movie?
Me?
Yeah.
When you were a child.
Oh, wow, that long ago?
Yeah, I saw it in the theater originally.
Wow.
Because I'm that old.
Was it popular when it first came out?
Yeah, it was really popular.
Because I just rewatched it.
I'm going to watch it soon.
It's kooky. So I'm deepening my V with Paranormal. V area.
Yeah, I'm just lining. So I've used all the 4 shades on the bottom, and I'm recently deceased on the bottom. I mean, they're all very similar in tone, like, but you can tell the difference once they're on your eyeball for sure. Mm-hmm. I'm going to use Comet Catcher for my inner corner highlight.
I'm gonna take a bigger, fluffier brush just to diffuse that blend a little. I'll take that matte color a little bit and draw a door.
What are you doing? Drawing a door?
Drawing a door. That's the name of the color. I actually don't remember what that reference is in the movie because I fell asleep.
It was, draw a door was the password to get into the website in order to buy the whole promo.
Was it?
Yeah.
How did you get the password?
You Google. That's what I did. I didn't buy the whole thing because you talked me off that.
She called me. Were you drunk? I don't know. I couldn't tell. Drunk on makeup. And you're like, Enoch, I'm going to buy the whole collection. It's like $350 US.
Yeah, we can't do US.
I said no.
She said no. So we just got it. I just got the 2 palettes off Sephora, which is fine.
Yeah, I mean, because you'd have to pay duties. The duties
It's
are
true.
bad here since Trump.
It's since COVID.
Oh. No, it's Trump. This is very Grinchy green.
I'm going to do underneath, what do you call the waterline thing?
The waterline.
I'm going to do it. I'm using brown ColourPop. Oh.
Did it break?
It braked.
That's actually
What
been
the
known to happen with those. Now I'm just going to use the last color, which is Beetlejuice, under the lash line. But these shadows are really cute because they have little stencils of Beetlejuice on them.
Yeah.
It's going to be sad when he's gone.
Well, he will never be gone because nobody around here uses things that hard, right?
I do. He'll be safe in your hands.
He's almost gone with your Beetlejuice. Oh yeah, that's his name, how it's German, right? Or something?
I
Beetlejuice.
thought it's spelled like the star.
Oh, I don't know.
The red giant that's going to explode soon.
Oh my God.
Okay, taking Neurotic into the inner corner.
I like my look. I need mascara.
Yep. Yeah, I'm basically done. I think I'm just going to blend just a little bit more and do some mascara.
Yeah.
But that's basically it.
We're going to do a mascara offline.
Yeah, we'll go offline.
Okay.
Look at this angel. Did you fall from heaven? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, baby.
It's time to do our lips.
Lips. Yeah, I put a little bit of this ColourPop liner, Sub-Zero. It's the yellow in the lash for the waterline. I felt like it
I
tied it all
ColourPop as
together.
well.
Yeah.
I used, what?
The cream gel liner in Juniper.
Okay, and I'm using Ace Beaute Peachy.
This is Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut.
Huh, how ironic.
Because I can't eat walnuts.
Yeah. Just gonna blend it with my thingy. What lip color are you gonna use? Fenty?
Mm-hmm. Shoddy. It's like a darker orangey brown.
I'm doing what? Flamingo.
Acid.
Okay.
I feel like it goes with your theme right now.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done. What are your first impressions of this palette?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's so fun. I can't wait to use the green and the purples together. So yeah, we used all the colors in the palette today.
Yep, every single one.
Yep. I did the bottom or whatever, depending on which way. The bottom. Yeah, I did the bottom. Yeah.
They're so rich, and what's there more to say about it? I'm scared I'm going to drop it, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm afraid. Yeah, so next time we'll do, not maybe the next video you see, but we are going to do the other palette, the waiting room. Looking forward to that. And yeah, so that's it for now. What do you think? Let us know in your comments.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.
Bye, witches.